Did you know that the Milky Way has a season? Yep, it's April through October. That's when the galactic core, or the brightest part of the Milky Way, is visible to us in the Northern Hemisphere. Here are some tips on how you can get shots of the Milky Way. It's easier than you think. You need a sturdy tripod, a headlamp or flashlight, and a fast, wide-angle lens. We're talking 24 millimeters or wider. Timing is important, so plan your shoot. There are many nifty apps like PhotoPills that have augmented reality night sky tools to help with this. Pick a night where there's little to no light from the moon. The darker the sky, the brighter the stars, so a new moon night is best. The Milky Way will appear in the southern part of the sky. The most photogenic part of the Milky Way is the galactic core, so strive to get that in your picture. Also, include something in the foreground. It'll make your picture much more interesting than just the Milky Way by itself. Now, for the technical stuff. We recommend these settings. Shoot in RAW. Set your focus to manual. Your aperture should be wide open, like f2.8 or wider. Your shutter speed should be slow, somewhere between 15 and 25 seconds. If you shoot at 30 seconds or slower, you'll run the risk of getting star trails. A good ISO to start with is 3200. You can readjust it if necessary. To focus, point your camera up to the very brightest star in the sky and manually focus on that star. As you move the focus ring, the star will get bigger or smaller. Make that star look like a pinpoint. That's when it's sharpest. With the camera on a tripod, frame your scene and take your shot using a remote shutter release. If you don't have one, you can just set yourself a timer. Take your shot and see how it looks. You will be amazed at how much brighter your camera sees the Milky Way than you can with your human eyes. Do you want to learn more about Milky Way photography? Come into Horn Photo and talk with our experts. Got the picture?